Hello my friends and welcome back for another unboxing. As I said in my last video, my unboxing for this video is gonna be the Lookfantastic for the month of April. Finally I received mine. The box looks like this, pretty as usual. It seems like this month was late. And in this one we have Petrichor, the pleasant earthly smell after rain. This is the theme for this month. As usual, it comes with the booklet. And what I like to look first in the booklet is the page, the last page, because it says what product is gonna be, one of the products that are gonna be in the next month. And then the next month we'll have an Avant product, if I'm saying right, and this one is, it's an anti-aging serum. So this is gonna be one of the product in the next box. One of the products in the next box. As usually, you have here all the information and more than that. If you have time to read those, you can get great information. So as usually, the L magazine, which looks like this, it's something that you can enjoy in your vacation if you have time. Unfortunately, it's not the case for me. Here is the box with the teal paper, and let's see what we have here. Allure is a box that I will always like to keep it. No, not Allure. The Lookfantastic box, it's an Allure also. It's a box that I will always like to keep because of the products. Though something smells so strong in here, I barely can talk, because it's a box that has great brands, high-end brands, comes from UK, which is not very exciting because at least I don't have any problem with it, excepting the shipping. It takes a lot, 2-3 weeks, but boy, something is so strong in here. The smell is so strong, and I believe it's this guy. This one is Dr. Botanicals Bergamot and Poppy Seed Shooting Body Exfoliating Bar. Looks like this. And the smell of this is so strong. Looks like this, the bar soap, and you have to have a good tolerance to stay close to this one. I don't have usually problems, but this one it's stronger for me also. So this one is, they don't say prices here. It's a refreshing, cleansing and exfoliating bar for face, body and hands. The black poppy seeds will gently exfoliate your skin, removing, I have to move this away a little bit. The black poppy seeds will gently exfoliate your skin, removing dead skin cells, while shea butter and macadamia oil cleanse and hydrate your complexion. The fresh citrus scent that welcomes you as soon as you open this box. Yeah, this month's box is divine and will instantly uplift your mood. Lather up in the bath or shower using your hands and wrists. Truly, they recommend to use this in the shower. And of course, leave soap on your skin for 3 minutes to fully hydrate before washing it off. So yeah, it might be nice, but I think it's the smell, it's too strong. And then we have Nip and Fab product. Here it's glycolic fix daily cleansing pads. Is this one? I think we got this one in a Ulta box. Not so sure, but I saw this recently. And this one says unveil younger looking skin with these glycolic fix pads. 10 radiance boosting pads soaked in exfoliating glycolic acid, designed to retexture and resurface skin. with hazel whatever helps to tone. The moisturizing formula with hyaluronic acid and shooting blue daisy helps to reveal brighter and smoother looking skin. You can use this for face, neck and décolleté. Apply to clean skin once or twice daily. Avoid excessive sun exposure and contact with eye area. And they recommend to apply an SPF after using this one, a SPF moisturizer. So here is the second product in here. Boy, that soap smells so strong. So we have here a Pure product. This is fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. It's a deluxe sample. And this one I never tried the mascara from Pure. This mini fabulous mascara truly lives up to its fully charged title, adding instant lift, volume and definition to your lashes with just one swipe. And what else they say here? They recommend to wipe the brush with the one with an wipe every week, with a tissue every week to remove excess mascara. It says combine with your lash primer from our January Beauty Forward edition to prepare your lashes before applying this amazing mascara. That soap still bothers me. So is this mascara. Then we have here a Glam Glow product, which is this one. And this one is super smooth clearing treatment. The mask was created to help with problem skin and blemishes instantly with its blend of acids and oils to help unclog pore congestion and cleanse care. If you have normal or combination skin, apply a thin layer to clean skin, leave on for 20 minutes and remove with water. If you have sensitive skin, use the Soleil on the T-zone. And they recommend to use this as a full face mask and as a spot treatment as often as you need it. They say here place a pea-sized amount on a blemish, leave on for 20 minutes and voila. Okay, it's good to know. I didn't have idea that this one can be used on blemishes, but it's good to know. Then we have a Nuxe product. This is 48 hours moisturizing cream anti-pollution, which looks like this. And about this one, this comforting moisturizer melts effortlessly into skin, softening, shooting and protecting you for 48 hours with this dose of with this dose of algae extract and couple more products. Your skin will be safeguarded against damaging pollution and is left feeling supple, fresh and plump in appearance. Apply liberally morning or evening and or to the face and neck. They recommend this to be used before bed after cleansing, and it has notes, freesia, orange blossom and woody aromas when drifting off to sleep. So it's another good size in here. And the Lux product and my favorite in the box, and not just in the box, it's an all-time favorite, is the Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Balm. I got a couple of samples recently in boxes, and I love this one. It's a product that it's gonna be all the time in my collection. About this one, they say experience a rejuvenating balm with this luxurious daily cleanser that works to lift away makeup and impurities while revitalizing dull skin, leaving your face brighter and hydrated. Take a small amount and warm between your fingers to melt the product. Apply to the face, neck, and eye area, and massage thoroughly into the skin. To remove, soak a cleansing cloth in warm water and gently sweep over the whole face and neck. This fabulous balm can also be used as an overnight facial treatment or on spots and breakouts. That's something new for me. I didn't know that this one can be used as an overnight facial treatment, but what I can tell you for sure, as a cleansing balm, it's amazing and smells delicious. So a great one, very happy with this one, and I think this is all in the box. So far very happy with this one. Is one that I will always recommend it. It's not on the cheap side, but if you can afford it, and also full size, I believe a full size of this it's around $50. So but this one lasts a while, a sample like this, because you need just a little bit. It does a great job removing makeup, and also I will try this as an overnight mask. So very happy with this one. Then we have this guy, which I don't know what I'm gonna do with. Probably I will leave outside the box to get rid of part of that scent, because it's really the Dr. Botanicals vegan bergamot and poppy seed smoothing body exfoliating bar. It has a nice scent, but it's very strong. This is my opinion. If you have another opinion, let me know. If you got this box, it might be a great one, but what I'm gonna do, I will leave this out of the box. Then we have Nuxe 48-hour moisturizer. We have Nip & Fab glycolic fix daily cleansing pads, and we have the nude sticks lip and cheek, and the Glam Glow mask. So far I learned 2 new things today from this box. It's about this one, leaving this one over the night, and this one that can be used for blemishes. So happy with the box this month. Let me know what you think about this box if you have it. If not, what do you think about the products, if you use them and how they work for you. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys probably with a haul. I'm not so sure what's gonna be next, but I will have another video pretty soon. I did film some videos. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to post them, because I think right now I have around 10 or 15 videos filmed, but I don't know, maybe this summer sometime. So again, thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.